As I tried to told you, and as I tried to show you, come on, Joakim coming. We are investing, so as you've seen in the graph, and we are now coming again to our European places, coming from the France now to Stockholm and to Sweden again. So Joakim, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Joakim Nydren. I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders of Foreseeti. We're kind of a different animal in here. We focus on cybersecurity, and we address the massive challenge of cybersecurity in an interconnected world. So why am I here? It's because with the development towards smart grids, IT is becoming core. IT devices are being connected to each other, are becoming connected to internet in complex systems of systems. And in that situation, IT security is a massive challenge. If you look at it overall in the society, the cost of cybercrime is in line with cost of drug trafficking and rapidly increasing around 50% a year. In this industry, it's more than doubling each year. And to be honest, the industry is on average lagging towards other industries. So what should you do? You, of course, need to prioritize your scarce resources. And as I'm talking here, a lot of experts are working on this. If you get the access to these experts, they are expensive. They need to do really complex, time-consuming analysis to get you into a fact-based decision on where to prioritize. And they need to have expertise in many different areas of cybersecurity. So what we have is a CAD tool for cybersecurity. It works in the same way as CAD tool in other engineering disciplines that you are familiar with. So when engineers do a car or a bridge, you of course do a model first before you build it. You test it with crash tests, etc. In the IT world, that's not how it has been done. That's how it should be done. So my colleagues have developed this tool for almost 10 years. It has been proven in their research, and ABB told them a little bit more than a year ago, now you need to start a company. So you get access to expertise, you get an improved overview of your architecture, improved cost efficiency as you do quicker analysis and can focus on the most relevant areas, and most importantly, improved cybersecurity in the end. We target becoming market leader in this strategic niche of the cybersecurity market. We estimate the market to be around 1 to 2 billion euros. It's mostly blue ocean, but it's proven through some competitors in the US that are growing fast, but they have yet fundamentally different way of solving the problem and a different solution. We are more holistic. We are quantitative and probabilistic. That means that you get quantitative, actionable output, even though you don't need to know all of the details of your architecture, which is typically the case in reality. You don't need to be an expert to use the tool, but it also helps the experts a lot. And you can assess security without vulnerability scanning, which is an extra good feature for the critical infrastructure sector, where you might not want to do that. So where are we? We have a really skilled team with the professors behind the product, IT security experts from the industry. We have skilled software developers that are now taking this to the market. We're working with ABB, as I told you. We are working with one of the largest Nordic banks, which are now our first customer. We are also doing work together with the Belgian utilities, Eandis and Infrax, and the consultancy Atos on smart metering architectures. And we have interest from many more. We have so far focused on a few in the development phase. we're now starting to scale up. So we have the initial funding from KIC InnoEnergy. We have been selected for some other governmental funding, which is pending now. And we're looking for more capital partners. So target first round of between €0.5 to €1 million from early fall now. And the exact amount depends on the governmental funding, which is pending. So if you want to improve your cybersecurity in the energy industry, or just want to change how the cybersecurity way of working, please just contact us. Thanks.
Thanks to you and for the nice presentation. And cybersecurity seems to me on the top of the agenda when we talk about decentralization, the new energy market. So I think it fits very good to the energy market of tomorrow and for the future. And again, the question, you're looking for new investors besides KIC InnoEnergy. What kind of an investor would you dream of for the future?
The most important thing for us is that they share our vision. And then bring good knowledge and good capital to the table. Yeah.
So good, smart capital, smart money, as it was mentioned before. So thanks a lot to you, and thanks a lot to the colleagues, and thanks a lot to you, Jan Hess, for the invitation and to be here for the first time. And I'm quite sure that we will be here next year again. Thanks a lot.